Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Mazda CX-5 key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This action will reveal a small slot or notch where you can begin to carefully separate the two halves of the fob. It's a simple first step to access the internal components. Now, with the emergency key removed, insert a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated plastic prying tool into the exposed slot. Gently twist the tool to create a small gap. Carefully work your way around the seam of the key fob, applying light pressure to fully separate the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery, which is typically a CR2025 or CR2032 type. Then, insert your new battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction, just as the old one was. To reassemble, simply align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Finally, test your key fob's functions to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.